Hey bestie, so this is how much I've been able to earn from this app called Meesolive. Now, if you're a student, a 9 to 5 worker, or basically anybody looking for something to do on, then trust me, I am actually going to recommend you watch this video to the very end because it might be very helpful to you. And all I did on this app was just audio stream. Yes, you are not even going to be showing your face at all on this particular app. This is actually a new audio streaming app, just like the ones you guys know previously, right? But all you're just going to do here is stream audioly, and yes, it is available for both gender, whether you're a male or a female, you can actually join this particular app, right? And yes, it is available worldwide in any country that you're in, right? So now, you guys, lately I have actually been testing out a lot of apps, right? Which I'm actually going to be posting the legit ones this week. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Hey, besties, if you're watching my video for the first time, hi, I'm Stephanie, and over here I review legit paying websites and apps that are actually paying, and I bring them here for you guys, my online besties, so that you do not even waste your time on any fake app whatsoever. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then I'm going to encourage you to hit that subscribe button now and join the family. Welcome already, because I know that you have done that, right? Now like this video, because by doing so you're helping this video spread to a wider audience that are actually searching for apps like this, right? Now, and also subscribe to this channel, because by doing so you're telling YouTube algorithm that you love make money online content, and trust me, you're going to be getting related videos like this on your feed daily. Are you done liking this video? Now let's get started. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. A quick video disclaimer. This video is for educational, informational, and review purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video should be taken as a financial advice. I do not guarantee you any earnings, as earnings may vary. So there is no guaranteed earning. It is also important to note that this app is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, I do not talk about get rich quick schemes over here on my channel. Your result is going to depend on your effort, your experience on this particular app. So please do well to make your personal research before getting started on anything that you see online. Besties, now this is one of the most important parts, all right? Do not even skip. Take note, please, and please follow the exact instruction that you're going to be seeing me do in this video, so you can actually get yours right. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, once you tap on the link, I'm going to be leaving the link to this app in the pinned comment. If I just check the pinned comment, I'm going to be leaving the link, right? So once you tap on the link, it's going to redirect you to your browser just like this. So once you get here, this is obviously what you're going to see, right? Just scroll down. I see here where they wrote this download app with black, right? You just tap on this download app, and then they're not going to redirect you to your Play Store. As you can see now, you see here where they will see it on Play Store app. You tap on it like so. So this is basically how you're going to see it, right? So this is how your own is going to be. Then you tap on install, right? So let's install this app together. So this app is done installing. So what next do? You tap on this open, just like so, and you're going to be inside of the app just like this, right? So now this is what you're going to see. They says sign up with Google or sign up with email. Please and please do not tap on email for anything. Make sure you tap on sign up with Google and Google only. So let's tap on this sign up with Google. The list of emails that you have on your phone, I'm just going to pick the one I actually want to make use of, and then they're going to take us into the next interface, right? So we are here. This is what you're going to see. So once you get here, obviously you see this camera icon here. Yes, please tap on it and add a picture. Add a picture, right? Add a picture there. I'm going to advise you to actually put your picture there, because it's going to be beneficial to you. So here they said entry name. You can actually put any name you want to. So let me leave it at Stelina. Okay, now if you're a male, you pick male just like this. See, now they said gender cannot be changed after submission, so please make sure you put your correct gender. Like I said earlier, whether you're a male or you're a female, this app is actually going to work for you. Do you understand? So let me just pick female. Once you've added your nickname like this, your female, here this gallery, this camera icon, please do not even forget to add your profile picture. So once you've added the picture and all of these things are set, please and please try to add this emoji to your own. Try to add this emoji. It's actually going to help. So let me just search for star. This, right? So try to add. So as you can see now, please make sure you see this two emoji, do not even skip it. Make sure you add these two emoji in front of your name before you sign up. Please do not forget, add these two emoji in front of your name so you do not miss it. And yeah, one more thing, you guys, happy new month. This is the 1st of August besties. I actually forgot to wish you guys a happy new month when the video started. I'm really really sorry, so please do well to wish me a happy new month too in the comment section. Let's interact. So once you're done with all of these things, you tap on save, and voila, you're going to be inside of the app. See, this is what you're going to see. This is how it looks like. Here now where they wrote new user gift pack, just tap on this claim, right? Now they said claim and go live. Don't worry, we are going to do that later. Just tap on this X below and you remove it. You check in, do your check-in, right? Now we've done our check-in, right? So they might take you to this check-in place, but let's just wait for it to load. Just remove it like so and you go over to your profile. So once you go over to your profile, this is what you're going to see. This is how your profile is basically going to look like. So let me show you guys where the profile icon is. Now once you sign up, this is how, like, this is what you're going to see, just like this. You see this me, this me here and now that this arrow is pointing at, which is the last button. If you tap on it, it's going to take you to your profile. I am actually explaining this app carefully so that everybody can actually understand it. Do you understand? So once you get here, the first thing that you're going to do is here now where the word tax, this place, this tax, yes, you tap on the tax like this and they're going to take you to this next interface. Now there's tax center. Now they said you should claim 300 coins, right? You tap on this, claim the coin, you see, and this is just it. So once you're done with this, here where they wrote anchor tax, tap on this anchor tax, alright? Tap on this anchor tax. Can you see? This is what you're going to see. You're not going to be seeing any tax whatsoever on your own until you do your face verification. So you need to do your face verification. Like, your face verification is actually a must if you want to be here and if you want to start doing whatever it is that is on this app. You need to do your face verification. Now don't forget, that's the reason why I asked you guys, make sure you add a profile picture. Now the reason why you're seeing this picture here is because the email that I actually picked, there is a profile picture on my email, so that's the reason why you're seeing it here. So let me do a very quick recap. Let me tap on this tax. Once you tap on tax, it is going to open up like this. You tap on this anchor tax, you need to do your face verification, right? If you now tap on this verify now, they will take you to this next interface, right? So once you get here, now take notes, this is more important. Now for your picture, like your main profile, you can add any random picture, whether your own or anything that you want to add. That one is not even a must. But here they said please upload a clear photo of yourself. You need to add a clear picture of yourself, like your picture, your real picture. That's what you're going to add here. Take notes, the picture that you add here is not going to be showing on your profile. No, this is just to confirm. Do you understand? So all you're going to do is tap on this upload a photo, then you add picture. Then once you now tap on add picture, you will now be taken to this second interface, which is face authentication. So once they now take you to this second interface, which is face authentication, you just put your face in the center. Let me just, I don't know if there's any picture here. See, there's no picture here. I would have done that. So once you add the picture and they take you here, and then you now have to do your face authentication, which is basically you putting your face inside of the box. Make sure that your face is very clear, and after that, they will now your review it, and then you're going to get approved. Right now, once your account has been approved, you're not then that's when you are going to start seeing this. Now take note of this. Let's tap on this. Now once your account has been approved, then you need to join the agency. Obviously, the reason why you're seeing this here, after this I am actually going to be taking you guys back to my main account so you see what your tax looks like. So let me tap on this. See, there's nothing here for you to do because you are not in an agency. Take note, if you do your face verification now, please and please, first of all, make sure you do your face verification first before you join our agency, right? So once you get here now, if you want, you can tap on this host center. If you tap on host center here, this is what you're going to see. There's nothing, like there's nothing that you're going to see here. So now here they wrote agent center, this is it. they're not going to take you to this next interface. You're going to be seeing a list of agencies on this particular platform. Do not tap on join on any of this. You see this search icon here, this search icon that you're seeing here. You're going to tap on it like this. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving our agency ID on the screen. Just pause this video, go over to the comment section, write out the exact numbers that you're seeing. Okay, then you copy it because you're actually going to be needing it. Like I said, without joining the agency and doing your face verification, there is nothing for you on this app. So let me just quickly paste in the agency ID and show you guys what it looks like and how you're going to join the agency. So you guys, after copying the agency ID, right, now like this video, right, so that you can always come back to this video whenever you are confused on anything at all. Do you understand? So like this video now. So once you're done, you paste in the agency ID that you've already copied from YouTube here. Then you tap on this search, right? So once you tap on search, you have to wait patiently so that we can bring up our agency. Are you seeing it? So once you tap on search, you're going to see it like this. This is Stephanie Agency. Obviously, like I told you guys earlier, my name is Stephanie. So yeah, this is our agency, Stephanie Agency. So what are you going to do then? You tap on join. Are you seeing? This is what you're going to do. So they're asking for you to leave a note. Just write something like please approve, right? Just this is what you can do. Then you tap on it like so. You say application submitted successfully, right? So once you've submitted your application and it was successful, all you're going to do, I am always going to be on this app, right? But then again, right, please and please, you can just take a clear screenshot of your profile like this and send to me. So you guys, once you're done submitting your application, I'm actually going to be coming to this app, do you understand, to actually like come and be approving new members. But then again, please, this is what you can actually do to help yourself and help me faster. Just take a clear screenshot of your profile like this, right? Now I'm going to be leaving the link to join our Telegram community. See, do not even miss out on joining our community, because over there I'm going to be sharing with you guys extra things that you can actually do on this app. Do you understand, for your own betterment? So also check the pinned comment. I'm going to be leaving the link of this app and also our community, right? So once you join, then you send a screenshot of your profile for me and tell me that you just requested to join the agency, and I'm going to approve you ASAP, right? So let me just go to my account and approve this one, then show you guys the difference between the two. So you guys, have now approved this particular account. So let's tap on this same agent center again, and you're going to see that you're going to be in our agency. So this is the way to know that if your account have actually been approved. Do you understand? So once you come back to your account, right, after sending your application and maybe sending me a DM on Telegram, tap on this agent center like so. Then you're going to see something like this. If you start seeing our agency like this, right, then you know that your account has been approved. So what do you do next? Obviously, like I said earlier, you need to actually do your face verification first. Here, you see, you cannot see your tax. Why? Because you have not done your face verification. So do well to do that. So let me just take you guys back to my main account and show you guys. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Like, are you seeing this? You're going to be getting your data. See, I've already done my field verification because, like I said, obviously, I've been on this app for like I think. So here, see this daily task. They say live, be on mic or stream for 1 hour. You get 5,000 points. Now over here on this app, minimum sorry, $1 is just 10,000 points. They use point too. $1 is 10,000 points, which is if you do these two tasks now, these two here now, you've gotten $1. Do these two tasks now, you've gotten $1. If you do this one is be on my for so let me show you guys how to do the task. If I tap on this task again, they're going to take us. I'll tap on this anchor task. See, there is task and there is anchor task. If you tap on this anchor task now and I tap on go, it will not take me inside. Let me just wait. So this is how it looks like. This is how. Okay, let me tap on the mic and join mic. Yeah, I've muted my mic. So as you can see, I am also going to be coming live here very well. You guys get to explain more things. I'm also going to be coming here a lot of times. As you can see, I've already set up this thing since when I joined. You guys get so yeah. So you guys, I now believe you guys have seen how your tax looks like, right? And how to do your tax. So that is just basically it. Now, once your own account is been approved, let me tap on this me. See here with the root message. If you tap on it now, you're going to see that request that you sent, say join agent application. So you see accepted, which means that I've accepted. You're going to see Stephen agency have accepted, right? Then you can now start. But please and please do not forget to join our Telegram community so that you do not miss out whenever I talk about anything concerning this particular app. And then you can also send me a DM. If you have questions whatsoever regarding the app, you can also do well to send a DM to me, right? Right now, that is that about that. Please and please take note. I am also going to be making more videos about this particular apps and their other features, but this is the one that I'm going to be talking about for this video. So you guys, this app is not a get rich quick scheme at all right? You need to actually put in the work, right? So I'm going to advise you to like treat this app more like a passive income, like side hustle, right? That is if you're actually too busy, but you need to be doing your audio live streaming tasks daily. Do you understand? So that is just basically it for this video. So let me know in the comment section if you're actually going to be trying out this app, right? And do not forget to leave a happy new month and a thank you, which is yeah, in the comment section, right? And let me know if you're going to be trying out this app. Let me know if you encounter any difficulty when you're trying to register, or if there's anything, just join our Telegram community and send a DM. And I'm going to see you when I post our next video on Monday. So do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first person to get notified when I post amazing videos just like the one that you just watched. Bye for now, my friends.